Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying the physical ports. This determines the adapter you need. If your iPad has USB-C, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. If it has Lightning, use a Lightning digital AV adapter. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter now, because connecting cables first reduces wear on ports later. Make sure the TV is on the correct HDMI input. You will switch it, but setting it up now speeds testing. Once done, power the adapter if it requires external power. This prevents flicker and ensures full resolution output. Once the adapter and HDMI are connected, plug the adapter into your iPad carefully. You may hear or feel a light click. Next, change the TV or monitor to the HDMI input you used. The devices negotiate resolution and refresh rate automatically, so wait several seconds. On recent iPad OS versions, you can open Control Center and tap screen mirroring to mirror, or use an app that supports external displays to run different content. If the image looks off, make small adjustments to display zoom or orientation in settings. You finish by confirming both video and audio are working, raise the iPad volume, and check the TV input's audio source. If you see no picture, first reset every connection, unplug and replug the HDMI and adapter. Then swap the HDMI cable or try a different HDMI port to isolate the fault. Make sure the adapter is genuine or certified. Cheap converters sometimes fail. If problems persist, restart the iPad or install the latest iPad OS update, and finally test the adapter on another display to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.